Hey, I'm Windson Honorato from the Honorato Company, and I'd like to show you how we communicate with our clients and all of our stakeholders on their projects. What you're seeing behind me right now is our project management software. On this software, we track all the tiny little moving pieces that make it a little difficult to do construction. With the software, it gets that much easier. And you get a portal into the software for your particular project so that you can see everything that's going on. We track communication with site managers, project managers, the homeowner themselves. I will go in there and I will drop some notes myself, and you get to see everything that's going on and be notified on a daily basis of what we're doing with your project behind the scenes, even when you don't see any movement on the job site. For the most part, what you're going to be looking at is this. This is called our daily log. The daily log is going to come in from the site manager, myself, the project managers on your job, or even you. And you get to comment on these daily logs to ask your questions, or just give us your input, or just tell us we're doing a really nice job. Some of these daily logs are going to come with pictures. For the most part, you're going to get to see what we did that day, what we looked at, and sometimes you're going to have videos. What's going to be very important within these daily logs is that they come with an update of the weather every single day. So we get to know, was it rainy, was it snowing, was it hot, was it cold? And you're going to get to find out if that weather impacted the work that we did on that day, because the next big thing is our schedule. Right now, you're looking at the Gantt chart for this particular project. If we had any delays, if we had any mistakes that went on, if the weather got in our way, if material didn't arrive, or if we're ahead of time with something, you're going to see that update over here. You can follow this from the beginning to the end of your project, and you can see what we're going to be working on and what's coming up next. We also use this to keep you in check with what's going on in your project. Make sure that you're not walking in there when it's not safe. Make sure that you stay away from certain areas. Make sure that you know when you can come back home because you're eager to get back into your house. And all of that is over here. Aside from this, in this program, you can also see our to-dos. We assign some to-dos to you. We assign to-dos to our site managers, project managers, and to our tradesmen who are also attached to this program so that they know exactly what's going on and what they need to do. And we do this to track everything in bits and pieces of communication. We also do finances here as well so that you can see what you've already paid, what is remaining, what is due within your project, and we can track that for you here as well. So that's what you can expect from us, the Honorato Company, in terms of communication, and I hope you like it.